Here I have Xiaomi Black Shark 5, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow motion, tap on three stripes here, and by changing like FPS you can change its speed. So like 220 FPS is like the fastest slow-mo you have, 240 is like medium speed, and 960 FPS it's like very slow motion, like super slow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.